Welcome to Unit 4.7. In this unit, you're going to learn how to insert rows and columns as well as delete rows and columns. Let's take the spreadsheet as an example. Perhaps I want to add a new month into the spreadsheet. After April, I want to put a column for May. So I would be needing to insert a column between column E and F. Let's click on the F. The reason why I'm clicking there is when you insert a column, it will go in front of the column you've chosen. There are various ways of doing it. To do it from the ribbon, on your home ribbon, you have an option to say Insert. And I'm just going to click on the button Insert. And if I click on it many times, it inserts more than one. If I want to delete, I would select the columns and click on Delete. If I wanted to do this on the keyboard, I would use the keyboard shortcut Control+ and Control-. Please bear in mind, if you're working on a laptop and you don't have a side keypad, you would have to say Control-Shift+ to insert, because the plus is at the top of the button, and just Control- to remove. If I wanted to do this doing rows instead of columns, let's click on the 7. Remember, I'm clicking on the 7 because when I insert, it will insert a row above where I am. So in other words, between self and total. Once again, because I've selected a whole row, it knows and understands I want to insert a row. Once again, I'm going to click on the Insert button on the home ribbon and delete. Using the keyboard, once again, Control+ and Control- to remove. Alternatively, I could right-click on the F and click on Insert. Right-click on the F again, click on Delete. If I were to right-click using rows, click on the 7, right-click, Insert, and to remove, right-click, Delete.